Yes, in this period I'm making everything Christmas. Yes, it's a few weeks away. It's never too early for Christmas. My Christmas playlist is already up there for you to check it out. Check it out and let me know if there's any song I'm missing out that I should add to it. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm Juliet Migwe and I normally share with you my resin art. And today I'm going to share with you how to make a Christmas pillar light using this mold, a Christmas decor piece. And if you like this video and any of the others that I normally share with you, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on all those coming exciting videos. And for more variation of these pillar lights, because I'm doing different others, colors, and the different ways of doing it, check my Instagram at Juliet Migwe Inspires, because I'm able to share there and not make as many videos on YouTube. And for this video and the others I've done before for Christmas and other pieces before, I'll show you how to actually use them as part of Christmas decoration, how to actually decorate it. So please check the compilation in the card above. For this decor piece, we will need beads. I'm using these gold ones and red because I'm using these two molds. So instead of showing you just one, why not show you two? Sunflower mold, and all these molds, the links to them is in the description section below. If you use that link, it goes into my affiliate market. Thank you for that support. And we are going to use fairy lights. These ones are the ones that have a battery. I'll show you how we'll use it. And of course, resin. And I'll show you how we're going to mix it. We're also going to use this gold leaf to allow for some shine through the resin. We are going to use this stick. We're going to make it as wide as you want. This works for me because of the size of the mold. This side where the copper wire starts, I'm going to start making a tight coil all the way to the end. Let's speed this up, and I want it so narrow so that it fits inside the mold nicely. Okay, we're done. Remember, you don't have to do yours this way. I'm doing it this way because of the size of my mold, so that it can contain the coil once I'm done. After this, I'm just going to remove it like this. And then it's going to be like this, so that when I put it in the mold, it will stay the way I want, so that it doesn't come over. I can squeeze it more or far as I need.
they have cured for this stage, and I'm going to demold, and then I show you the next part of this lights. Oh, I'm waiting. You see, for me, I'm like, you haven't seen yet, because you don't know yet how it looks with the light. I have seen, and they look really, really nice. And so I'm going to do it to demold. You have to keep watching to see how it looks with the light after we do the other resin part. So let me show you how it looks on demold. They're finally cured. We're just going to demold, and then stick around to see how they look with the light on when I put them for you to see. Thank you so much for watching this. I can't wait for you to see more. Remember, we're going to show you how I put this together for a Christmas decor. Right now you can use this light for anything, but watch the video that is in the card above that I showed you that has all the Christmassy bits of it. We've done the light, now how to decorate it. So keep watching, subscribe so that you don't miss that, and to see even other different types of lights that I will make, remember to follow me at Juliet Migwe Inspires on Instagram, because that's where I share videos more often and some that I can't make on YouTube. So let's demold this and then you watch to the end. Look at that. Look at that. Right, so wait up for the light. I love the red accents. You see, you can see the beads a little. But so there are people who love it, things more neutral, others more colorful. So let me put it together for you and then you can see it. Woohoo! Wow.